Keawe Street of the Lahaina bypass, working on our third phase PCCP pour. This is covering the offsite portion of the Kukuia project. Started with bringing our utilities from the main line intersection of our Hawai'i through this road and into our project. We've broken it up into 3 phases, our pour that is, starting from the Mauka at 180 cubic yards, working our way down to a middle section at another 180. And then now we're in that phase 3 of 130 yards of PCCP. Tonight, all the way throughout, we've had our mason team teaming up with our carpentry team. Each phase starting at 3 o'clock in the morning, giving us a chance to get as much concrete pumping out as we can before the sun comes up. We've been working closely with HC&D plant on getting, and as well as the state and county inspectors, getting a good mix design together to help us get this complete. And basically, just keep working our way down. We're using the Bunyan Street out here. Just keep coming down with the use of the pump, which has really helped us out. From a safety perspective, one big thing that we wanted to manage was trying to get it out here early, where it's cool and not too hot for these guys. Using our delineators, protecting our work zone, and making sure our team has the right amount of space to stay away from that traffic. Providing additional lighting to make sure everyone can see and visibly see what the operation is going on throughout. And as well as just coaching our guys, we put some extra effort into grading back to avoid any slips and fall hazards. Basically, I'm just going to be working down that road, again, completing to that Kukuia intersection tonight, followed by a list of activities like saw cutting, guardrail installation, and then an AC bike path. So you guys are doing a great job and have been over the past week. We're all looking forward to knocking this out and getting through our milestone.